Hi, I am Erica Jones. Welcome to my channel if you are new here. If not, welcome back. I am grateful you're here either way. So today I wanted to bring you a real quick video on how you can start creating reels in less than 10 minutes. So I know some of you may be thinking that you want to start incorporating reels, but in your mind they might seem like way too much, like too massive of an undertaking for you to even incorporate. And I'm here to tell you it does not have to be that. Reels can be as simple as you want them to be, or they can be a big production and be as difficult as you want them to be. So the thing about these kind of reels that I'm telling you or talking to you about today is these take less than 10 minutes. And so if you're someone who wants to start incorporating reels, but you're a little turned off because it seems like they might be too difficult to do, this video is for you. Okay, anybody can do these kind of reels. So first, I want you to think about the video that you already have in your phone. Maybe it's a video of your pet. Maybe it's a video of your kids or of a beautiful nature scene of you, like as you're out and about walking around downtown, or for me at the lake. I have a lot of video in my phone already of just beautiful scenery or a beautiful, time, like playtime with my dog, whatever. So go through your camera reel right now, or your camera, and see what videos you already have available to you, okay? And then I want you to think about what quotes speak to you, okay? Because what I'm telling you about is a quote reel. And I know you've probably seen this. It's a reel where there's some kind of a video playing in the background. It could be of anything, of food, of nature, of your pet, of your kids, whatever. And then on top of that, you'll see like a quote on top of it. And that is what I'm trying to teach you today. So if you can think about a quote that speaks to you, maybe it's from Oprah, from Tony Robbins, Napoleon Hill, I don't know, whoever. And it doesn't have to be them. It could also even be something that you want to share from your brain, like, an idea or a mindset that you want to share. So it doesn't have to be someone else. It could also be your powerful, valuable words, okay? So I'm going to explain this as if you're going through the Instagram app, okay? You're going to create the reel. You're going to go in and add your video that you have already on your phone. And I would bring the time length, the length of that video. You can like maneuver it, you can trim it, and I would trim it down to 10 seconds or less. Maybe it's 7 seconds, okay? So trim that down, and then you're going to add the quote on top. And how do you do that? So for me, I go into my phone. I have a notes section in my phone where I keep like motivational quotes. If I read something and it really speaks to me, then I immediately go into my phone and I save it. Like I put that in there in my notes section. So I already have some quotes saved on my phone. And maybe you don't, but I can guarantee you there's something that comes to mind right now that you're like, oh, that would be a really good one to share. Okay? So what you'll do is go into your phone, and if it's not already there, then type it out into your phone in the notes section. And then what I do is take a screenshot of that and I crop it. I'm not going to keep it like the full length, but I crop it to where it's like condensed like this. And so I have that cropped and I have that ready to go now. So go back into your Instagram app. You're going to upload that short video, and then you're going to add the image on top of that. So you click up top to add the image, and then you're going to put that copy and pasted like quote right on top of it. So simple. And to take it a step further, just to help improve that reel, you're going to want to add some audio behind it. It's much different from just looking at a video with no sound, nothing, versus adding some trending audio on top of it. So you're going to go up and go on top and add the audio. You're going to click that music symbol, and then it's going to show you what is trending at the moment. and I would choose one of those, whatever speaks to you. Using a trending audio is only going to help you. But there's a caveat. I tell all of my clients this, that if there's something else that you want to use, a different audio that's not trending, then by all means, use the audio you want to use, okay? And that's it. So you're going to add the audio on top of that. So now you have the video playing of your pet, of nature, of downtown, whatever it is. You have the video playing, you have the quote on top of it, and then you've got some trending audio with it. And that's it. Like, that's it. That took you less than 5 minutes. I say it's less than 10 minutes, but in reality, it's really like 5 minutes. So that's ready for you to go, and you can post that and share it. And it's amazing. Like, I keep that available to me in my back pocket, like as a tool that I use when I don't feel creative, when I can't think of what kind of reel I want to post today. So these are perfect for those days when I'm not creative or really motivated. I know that I can post a motivational quote to at least, produce a reel for the day and also engage with my audience. Now, if you're thinking like, yes, this sounds great, Erica, but I still don't feel comfortable doing this, like I still need help, then I got you, boo, okay? I am here to support you. If you want support with reels, specifically how to create them, how to edit them, how to be more efficient, what kind of reels to create, what kind of reels resonate with your audience, all the things to do about reels, the support is here for you. I can help you with that. I love to help entrepreneurs with their reels, with their marketing, but specifically with their reels and doing just what I said. So I will give the link below. You can click the link below and get the support that you need. But start incorporating reels. It can only help you. Even if you go into your past posts of maybe your static photos, start thinking about what do I already have that I can turn into a reel, because just putting it in the reel format is only going to help you. It's only going to help you because reels is so hot right now, and most platforms are really pushing that feature. So it behooves us to jump on board and be part of that. So think about whatever content you already have that you can turn into a reel. Turn it into a quick 7-second video and slap some audio on top of it, and you have a great reel already. Okay, so if you need the support, click below. Also below, you will find a free guide that I have done all of the research for you in discussing what the top 5 platforms are where you can actually get paid for reels. So reels are such an amazing tool, marketing tool for your business, but they can also be a source of additional income. Just for creating reels, you can get paid on those views. And so I participate in that with Facebook. I'm part of the Facebook Reels bonus program. And I've done all of the research for you to let you know about the other platforms out there that will pay you for your reels. So that free guide is also below. You can click it down below. And until next time, I will be back next week with another quick tip on creating reels or how to be more efficient, but I will see you next week.